Imagine biting into a warm, golden pide where the crust is crisp at the edges, the dough pillowy and soft, and the cheese strings stretch with every bite. Today, I'll show you step by step how to make these irresistible pides, from the perfect soft dough to juicy marinated chicken, creamy cheese, and flavors your kids will love. In a bowl, add 120 milliliters lukewarm water and 240 milliliters lukewarm milk. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and 2 teaspoons instant yeast. Mix well and let it rest for 5 minutes until the yeast blooms beautifully and turns foamy. In your stand mixer, add 600 grams all-purpose flour, approximately 4 cups, and a 1/3 cup. I will mention the cup measurement in the description box as well. Add 1 teaspoon salt and mix. Pour in the bloomed yeast mixture and combine with a spatula until it starts coming together. Add 3 tablespoons olive oil and start kneading until a smooth, soft dough forms. The dough should be soft and easy to handle. Lightly brush the bowl and the dough with olive oil, cover, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour until doubled. For the filling, take 750 grams boneless chicken. Add half cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon salt, half tablespoon garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons olive oil. Squeeze in half a lemon. Mix everything very well until the chicken is fully coated. You can refrigerate overnight for deeper flavor or freeze at this stage for later use. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan, add the marinated chicken, and cook. Add 2 tablespoons concentrated tomato paste for rich color and flavor. Cook the chicken on medium to high heat. Because we added yogurt in the marinade, cooking on low heat will make the chicken release too much water and it can turn dry later. We want it juicy and tender, not watery. So keep the flame medium to high, let it sear nicely, and cook until the moisture reduces and the chicken stays soft and flavorful. Then add half cup cooking cream, mix well, and cook for 2 more minutes. Turn off the heat and let the filling cool completely. After 1 hour, punch down the risen dough and transfer it to a lightly floured surface. Divide into 4 equal parts and shape into balls. Cover and let them rest for 15 minutes so they relax and become easier to shape. After 15 minutes, roll each ball out. Instead of the classic boat-shaped pide, shape them however you like. I shape mine a little differently. Place mozzarella along the edges and fold inward to seal the cheese inside. This creates that beautiful cheesy crust. Fill the center with cooled chicken and sprinkle more mozzarella on top. Brush the edges with beaten egg. Bake in a preheated oven at 410 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes until golden, glossy, and beautifully baked. The second one, I simply folded the sides slightly and pinched both ends into two pointed tips without adding cheese in the crust. The third one, I made round like pizza, but honestly, it is better than pizza. And the fourth one, I shaped again into a beautiful boat style. Do not overbake. Keep a close eye on them because every oven is different. You want that deep golden color on the edges, bubbly melted cheese in the center, and a beautifully glossy finish. Once they reach that perfect golden shade, take them out immediately. Look at that color. Golden, shiny, and bubbling. Break one open and see how soft and fluffy the inside is. The cheese stretches, the filling is creamy and juicy, and every bite is pure comfort. Make these pides for Ramadan, for a holiday dinner, or for your kids' party. They are always a favorite. Let me know in the comments how you like this recipe. I just love trying foods from around the world for my family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes made with love for family and kids. Your support truly means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.